Fat J checking in from the road. Real funny ass.
See, the only way he would be here is if he was on a shirt. Might have fun.
Big J checking in from the bar. So since I can't fit on any rides, I found a bar over here in Springfield. Fucking Simpsons, whatever the fuck. So I'm drinking bread, Taco Queen, are going on rides like cookie cutters. I'm drinking beer. Big J checking in from Universal Studios. Big J checking in from the Hulk. That looks like a cooling station down there. And I asked this fucking poor bartender if I could go to the cooling station. She won't let me. Brad's an asshole and left me out here by myself. I got beer. Plus I need is cigarettes. Fuck.
Drink up. I need a menthol, bitches.